Why are we getting thousands of views doing frack walks? The idea of me being recorded in slow motion while that's a walk is a very new concept to us and to you. We decided to call it Frack Walk so we can showcase different types of garments that we put on us. So we can show you in slow motion how we cut our jackets, how we cut our trousers, what the waistcoat looks like. We have recorded now, I don't know, maybe 20, 30 of those over the last few weeks and months just to showcase so many different things. So we don't want to just focus as tailors just purely on navy suits, black suits, tuxedos and things that you normally see. I want to show you through fracker walks what is possible, what you can have, what you can wear, different color combinations. I want to show you how your shoes could combine with your suit, how you can have your socks different, how you can have any part of your outfit being different, so you get memorized, so people kind of notice you, people know who you are, people remember you, people, oh, there's this guy in a pink suit. Why not? Pink is very nice and masculine color. So this is what I'm going to say to you. Next time you're going to be watching this, because I know you are watching this because we have thousands and thousands of you, so someone must be watching this. Please leave a comment, share this, tell us what you like and what you don't like about the outfit that we're actually going to show you. And someone has asked me this as well in comments, like, are you always walking so slowly? Are you always doing the walk so slowly? And I said, yes, because imagine how much time you've got when you walk so slowly. You can see the outfit, you can see how things are moving. It's just an easy way to show you how we combine, how we understand colors, how we does this pink go with this suit? I don't know, but we'll just try it. We want to show you and see how you think if that's the outfit you would wear. So this is why we're doing fracker walks. Enjoy those, leave a comment if you see one of those, and don't forget to stay stylish.